Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create roles. Let's get started.
On the sign-in page, enter the email address associated with your CalicoDesk account.
In your dashboard, go to Settings, then open the Admin area. From the left sidebar, select Roles. Here, you can create and manage roles for both customers and agents. Let's create a customer role. Click Add New Role. Enter a name for the role, and if you'd like, add a description. Next, go to the Permissions section. Under Customer, enable the permissions you want your customers to have. Then, open Agent Dashboard and choose which dashboard features this role can access. If needed, you can also enable REST API permissions. Finally, open the Admin section and enable any additional permissions you want to assign. Once you're finished, click Save to create the role. For an agent role, to create an agent role, click Add New Role again. Enter the role name and optionally add a description. Then click Save. Your new role will be created and added to the role list.
Thanks for watching.